Hey guys, welcome back to another JJS video. This one's gonna be a little different. I'm working on a new JJS map, and then you're just gonna watch me build. I'm working on, what is his name? Hold on, let me turn this down. Yeah, there we go. I'm working on, oh wait, hold on, it's a bit too silent. I'm working on Denji from Chainsaw Man. Ripcord Struggle. I know, it's kind of cool, right? I'm gonna give myself the cooldown so you can see the variant. Yeah, no. I like that kick. Yeah, I'm just gonna be working on Denji, really. I mean, that's it. If it abruptly ends, then I ran out of storage. So there's base forms and ultimate forms. Ripcord Struggle is a base move, you know. Next move. I need a name first. How about we can do... This will be a simple one. It'll be Chainsaw Slashes. Right, that'd be good. Okay, let's make this one a very simple move. I hate when it does that. Where is it? I need to dismantle. And then we're just going to change the animation so that it's Lucky Volley. Maybe not without the end, though. Okay. Let's see how that goes. But I want to change the cooldowns on these moves a lot. Yeah, we got Chainsaw Slashes. Whoa! Whoa, wait a minute. Hold on. Tell me that's not cool. Tell me that's not cool. Hold on. It's a simple move, but it's effective. Oh, yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, let me go ahead and just... I'm just gonna... 25 seconds. All of these are probably just gonna have like 10 cooldown, maybe. You just have to put that up there. That's very satisfying. What did I just touch, man? Ah! Anyways. Let's see. Next move. I'm gonna hurt somebody if that happens again. I'm kidding, YouTube. Let's see. What should the next move be? Denji, he has like a lot of things. How about we do axe kick or something? That's good. Nah, that's good. Probably, I guess we start with 2 full kick, and then we can go into, let's see. If it keeps doing that, y'all are gonna feel my wrath. Yo. Axe kick, so that means we're gonna need something else. Maybe right after we do 2 full kick and they fall down, you hit, change the animation of this, maybe? Well, I kinda like that. Undo that. Ooh, I like that. Hold on, let's test this out. Axe kick, okay. That did not work, like, at all. That should fix it, maybe? Sometimes that happens, but you know what? We deal with those struggles. Seems like it goes into the original animation right after. You see? We do not want that. Also, the move just kind of sucks in general, so. I say we probably need to scrap this. I'd say. Probably not the takedown part. We can probably slow this down a bit. 0. That's not an 8. 0.8. There's something like right before that. Let's see. What could we have right before that? We need something to like hit him away for the takedown. How about we have? I don't think flowing red scale. Blood edge? No. A swift kick, maybe? Wait, hold on. I just had an idea. I have... Chat, I have an idea, chat. Yeah, I'm not going all the way over there. Wait, hold on. Hold on. That's not bad for a base move, but I think the animations need touch. Yeah, it's the animations, I think. Also, why does Swift Kick have... Okay, animations for this. Stop doing that, man! So annoying. Okay, I think that would be good. Do not know why this is left though. What skill is this again? Oh, right. So for that, how about we do... Not that. How about just like... We'll see how that looks. Huh? What is it? Okay, so I see he's suddenly gone. He just quit his job. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, it's not looking good. I mean, the move is okay. The first part looks good. It's the second part that I don't like. Let's see. Bro, I swear, man. Bro, if this happens one more time, I'm quitting JJS forever. No, I'm just kidding. What was this move again? Wasn't it? Oh yeah, it was takedown. We need something for takedown. That's not gonna work. Rush, Overlook. Do I really? Rough energy? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. No, I'm just kidding. What about parry? Obviously, we don't want actual takedown. It could look dumb or it could look fire. Trust, bro. Why does he go so far away? Like. Okay, yeah, it's the animation that needs work. It needs to speed up a bit. That could work. Okay. Yeah, you know what? That looks good. I think I like that. Obviously, it's a base move, so it's not supposed to do a lot. I don't know about you, but that looks cool. You can hit a little. And you just miss terribly, you know, because you just suck. Like, terribly. Or you can actually do a little bit of you can. Okay. Yeah, that looks fine. Well, I'm gonna leave the video here. I'll probably show y'all the finished result in the next video, and I might showcase the disgusting Architect's base and the final fusion form, which is his ult. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.